everybody, welcome to Light Moses. I'm Seth, here to introduce to you the all-new Light Moses Premium 360-degree LED Headlight Bulb Conversion Kit. As an industry-leading brand, we have developed a 360-degree angle light source technology at Light Moses. Each bulb features 15 pieces of original American CREE chip display to avoid ghosting, shadows, spots, and dead angles. Each set provides 10,000 lumen ultra-high brightness with 6,000K skywide color and 50,000 hour lifespan to create the ultimate driving experience. If you have the H11, 9005 or HB3, 9006 or HB4, or the 9012 model, first, twist and remove the old halogen bulb from the lamp deck. Next, insert your new Light Moses bulb into the deck, align the notches, twist, and secure. Next, connect the bulb to the driver. Lock it in tight. Then, connect the driver to the power line of your car. We just installed the premium 360-degree LED headlight bulbs into this vehicle here. As we can see, the spread is very even. No ghosting, shadows, spots, or dead angles. The headlight bulbs offer great brightness, sky white color, and the light goes a great distance. Thank you for your interest in Light Moses.